This is iTecHeaven's new wireless electric breast pump. Because the pump is wireless and in one piece, it is convenient to take with you anywhere and means you are free to pump away from sockets. It's great for using on the other side when you're feeding baby to prevent waste and up your milk supply. This is a really well thought out design. There are 9 adjustable programs which effectively stimulate natural breastfeeding to maximise express milk. The pump has a closed system and a backflow protector which keeps the tubing dry. The battery lasts for around 45 minutes, so plenty of time to pump both breasts. It takes 2 hours to recharge fully. The pump is made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic, which is easy to clean and sterilise. The plastic will tolerate temperatures of 110 degrees Celsius. The bottle teat is stretchy enough that most breastfed babies will be happy to latch on. There's an anti-airflow design which will help to mimic natural sucking and prevent gas. This pump means that you can be away from your baby and still give them the benefits of breastfeeding. The portable design lets you take it anywhere to prevent engorgement from misfeeds. When purchased from us, the pump will come with 1-year warranty as standard. Thanks for watching, and the link for the product is in the description.